Okay, this is going to be a series of 12 lessons on how I do all my designs. I try to keep them under 2 minutes, so let's just get started. Another super simple design, very fast. We're just going to put a name, Kendra. I like do that angle whenever I'm doing script lettering in this direction, not the opposite. Looks totally different if you do it the other way, and different in a bad way. And a lot of times they'll change the color, but we're keeping consistent with the design we have. We're going to use red, so we're going to start with a hard line, and then we're going to fade out, going up. I'm sure you've seen this before. I use this technique a lot. And then I'm going to throw some harder lines on the bottom, kind of leave some space here for a star. Here I put my wiggle, and then I put a star. I like doing my stars this way, they're really quick. The darts start big and soft and end up tight and small. And they sort of follow this path. Maybe I could even tilt it a little more so it was more consistent with the lettering. That would have been better to, go with the flow of the design. I'll use purple a lot for drop shadows, but in this design it seems to work pretty well with red. You're not going to see the drop shadow in the darkest points of the red, but there's plenty of area where it's totally saturated, so that red will show up just fine. Because I was competing, putting red on red for it to show, I got a little closer and I dug in with that red to make it some more saturated, and that kind of helps it show a little better. And that design is done.